A stocks and shares ISA is a tax-efficient investment account. It allows you to grow your money free from UK capital gains tax and UK income tax on dividends. This means you keep more of your investment returns. In simple terms, it's a wrapper that protects your investments from the taxman. Each year you have an ISA allowance. This is the maximum amount you can pay into ISAs in that tax year. You can split this allowance between different types of ISAs, including cash ISAs, stocks and shares ISAs, and innovative finance ISAs. For the 2024/2025 tax year, the ISA allowance is £20,000. It's important to remember that you can only pay into one of each type of ISA each tax year. For example, you can't pay into two different stocks and shares ISAs in the same tax year. If you're looking for a way to grow your money over the long term and want to shelter your investments from tax, a stocks and shares ISA could be a good option for you. Once you've opened a stocks and shares ISA, you'll need to decide how to invest your money. You can choose to invest in a wide range of investments, including individual company shares, investment funds, investment trusts, bonds, and government gilts. When you invest in a stocks and shares ISA, your money is invested in the stock market. This means that the value of your investments can go up or down. Over the long term, however, the stock market has historically trended upwards. Investing in a stocks and shares ISA is a long-term strategy. It's generally recommended that you invest for at least 5 years and ideally longer. This gives your investments time to ride out any short-term market fluctuations. There are several benefits to investing in a stocks and shares ISA. One of the main benefits is that your investments grow free from UK capital gains tax. This means that you don't have to pay any tax on any profits you make when you sell your investments. Another benefit is that any income you receive from your investments, such as dividends from shares, is also tax-free. This can make a big difference to your overall returns, especially over the long term. Stocks and shares. ISAs are also very flexible. You can choose to invest as much or as little as you like, and you can withdraw your money at any time. However, it's important to remember that the value of your investments can go down as well as up, so you could get back less than you invested. While there are many benefits to investing in a stocks and shares ISA, it's also important to be aware of the risks involved. The main risk is that the value of your investments can go down as well as up. This means that you could get back less than you invested. The level of risk involved in investing in a stocks and shares ISA depends on a number of factors, including the types of investments you choose, how long you invest for, and your attitude to risk. It's important to carefully consider your investment goals and risk tolerance before investing in a stocks and shares ISA. Section 5. Choosing the right stocks and shares ISA provider. There are many different stocks and shares ISA providers in the UK, so it's important to compare them carefully before choosing one. Some of the key factors to consider include fees, stocks and shares. ISA providers charge a range of fees, so it's important to compare them carefully. Some of the most common fees include platform fees, dealing fees, and fund management fees. Investment options. Different providers offer different investment options. Some providers offer a wide range of investments, while others have a more limited selection. Customer service. It's important to choose a provider with good customer service in case you need help with your account. Section 6. Opening a stocks and shares ISA account. Once you've chosen a stocks and shares ISA provider, you can open an account. This is usually a straightforward process that can be done online. You'll need to provide some personal details such as your name, address, and national insurance number. You'll also need to choose how you want to invest your money. If you're not sure, you can always seek professional financial advice. Section 7. Making your first investment. Once your account is open, you can make your first investment. You can choose to invest a lump sum or set up a regular investment plan. If you're investing for the long term, it's generally a good idea to invest regularly. This is known as pound cost averaging, and it can help to smooth out the ups and downs of the stock market. Section 8. Important considerations for your stocks and shares ISA. There are a few important things to keep in mind when you're investing in a stocks and shares ISA. Diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographies can help to reduce your risk. Review your investments regularly. It's important to review your investments regularly and make sure they're still meeting your needs. You may need to rebalance your portfolio or make changes to your investment strategy as your circumstances change. Don't panic sell. It's natural to feel anxious when the stock market is volatile. However, it's important to remember that investing is a long-term game. Don't panic, sell your investments just because the market is down. Section 9. Staying informed about your stocks and shares ISA. It's important to stay informed about your stocks and shares ISA and the performance of your investments. Your provider will send you regular statements, and you can also track your investments online. There are also a number of resources available to help you learn more about investing, such as the moneysavingexpert.com website and the Money Advice Service.